I was reading a book when the telephone rang. While I was riding my bike, I fell and broke my leg. Rami was doing his homework when his father came. While I was washing the dishes, the telephone rang. When you came, I was talking to my classmates asking about the math homework. I was studying for my final exams all night last night. She was cooking dinner when the power went out. They were playing soccer at the park when it started raining. He was practicing the piano when the neighbors complained about the noise. The kids were playing in the garden when their parents arrived home. It was raining heavily while we were driving to the beach. They were hiking in the mountains when they saw a bear. While he was taking a shower, his dog got into the kitchen and made a mess. The construction workers were repairing the road when a sudden storm hit. While I was waiting at the bus stop, it started to snow. We were enjoying a picnic in the park when a squirrel stole our sandwich. I was jogging in the park when I bumped into an old friend.